Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about that 5 minute scalping trading that works well today. So that how many stocks we filter out and how was the result that I'm going to discuss in this video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. So let me check it out. Today market opened gap up and it's going almost 1% up in Nifty and 1.3% in Bank Nifty. So these are the stocks we find out by first 15 minutes. That is what a first 5 minutes 3 candle were negative, and how it works let me discuss on this video. And the stock which is this here uh, about bullish stocks. Let me check it out. The bullish 5 minutes bullish. So the Titan, Bajaj, Finance, Axis Bank, and SBI Cards. So these are the stocks. Only 4 stocks we find out in the morning. So let me check it out. The Titan first. So how to trade on that thing. So the Titan, it's where we got the entry, is around the entry point is the third 5 minutes candle high is around 2667, 2658 should be the stop loss. Just about 9 rupees where we are making for the trade. For example, long positions we made here. Let me try it out. Just remove long positions we have taken here, and let me go for 9 rupees is the stop loss. And if you are focusing the target on 9 rupees, that would be closed P&L. So sorry, let me check it out exactly what the point we are going to find out. Price range here, the third 5 minutes candle is around 9 rupees stop loss where your entry, and there is a lot of time to take the entry opportunity at this point around 2667 on the stock at this level of 2667 with a stop loss of 2658. It is not a scalping kind of trade. We are not going to take a positional kind of things here, and after that it moves nearby 2689. So from 69 almost 20 points it generative in Titan. So because of the small stop loss we are planning for this kind of strategy. And the second one is about Bajaj Finserv. Let me go for Bajaj Finserv. What happened in Bajaj Finserv? So that was not giving you entry, right? Yes, the third 5 minutes is a green candle, so it has not broken that high around what was the entry point for our trade is around 1812 and 1801, almost 11 point is the stop loss. And if you are taking a short trade on this and till it never trigger your stop loss and never goes for a target, and at the end of the day it closed by the cost price, so there is no big movement on that particular stock. So that is what the second stock. And the third one is Axis Bank. Let me go for Axis Bank. What happened in Axis Bank? So this is what a candle. The risk for the trade is almost 5 rupees, and this is also not moving good, right? So 814, it moves a small around 2 rupees and closed by 812. So it was never triggered your stop loss. So ending with minimum trade. I think in the morning I got one message from the Axis Bank. So that was a huge buying happening like that, but till end of the day it was closed. Maybe it will work for tomorrow, right? So we will try to check for the Axis Bank what will happen on tomorrow. Why? Because of on a daily chart it was a gap up and closed with the green. So let me try, let me check this stock by tomorrow what will happen. And SBI cards, that I took position in SBI card today as a positional. I am holding it right now. It was ending with a loss, some 6-7 points, almost 10 plus points is in a loss right now. And it was moves very big, and after that it is falling down from the top, but I'm not closed yet. I'm just keep holding the position. But if you're going for a 5-minute chart, there is a great opportunity, but I'm not used this strategy for my buying position. If you are focusing SBI cards, so 982 975 7.5 rupees, that selling opportunity will generate you nearby 7.5, more than 7 point, nearby 75 to 56, almost 19 points. With a risk of 7 points, it got generating almost 17 points profit. So this 5 minutes candle should be the key candle where we are going to use for a both buy and sell. If it is breaks above, we can go for a buy, and this was a stop loss. And if it is breaks below the low, we can go for a sell. The high should be the stop for the trade. It's a 5 minutes scalping kind of trade where we are using based on the charting scanners and screeners, right? And let's go for a selling stocks. Today market was very bullish in the opening, and we find out some stocks. The first one is granulars. Let me go for a granulars. What happened in granulars? And granulars, it is about forming a selling kind of trade. Let's look at this. It was a big candle. So if you find any candle which is what a big, so maybe some news, something happening on this candle, right? Almost 319 to 301, some maybe the news candle. But even if you are going to take a trade by using this candle, it was a huge risk. So don't want to take a scalping that kind of huge risk, almost 18 points on that. But unfortunately that is not giving you entry point. It was very flat after the big fall. It was a very flat, but it doesn't give you entry, no problem. But such a kind of trade, if you find at any point of the time, just simply ignore the trades, right? And as far as selling, the second one is India Cement. I think India Cement, we did yesterday also, it was in ban period. Those who are going to take it new trades, it's not possible on this stock, so simply ignore, because it is only the people who are holding the position, they can only exit from the trade. If they are holding a short, they can exit with, and if you are holding a short long, they can exit. So no new position can be added in this stock because of it was in ban period. So simply ignore this stock. And BL and ABB, let's go for a BL. Top, and it was stop loss trade initially. This is what today 19th, and where about 20th September, where it is not a liquid stock. BL on 5 minutes, where it is today started 20th, I think it became 28th. Yeah, 1 to 3 initially it triggers your sell entry. And what was the stop loss? EL, right? Yeah, right, almost just about 50 paisa. Initially it sells triggers and it got trigger your stop loss, and then again buy if you are reversed it, so it went up to 1112, so that loss you can cover it out from that. So it looks like not a illiquid, it's like a illiquid stock, so the candles is not so every time you see the lot of dojis, so maybe illiquid from this. And escorts and metropolis. ABB, let me go for ABB. What happened in ABB? 1 2 3, and the risk for here almost 152 to 163, 12 points initially, but you need to be very quick on this system. So if it is breaks, you are selling and it triggers your stop loss, immediately it went up to 200, so 40 point movement in a single candle. So we need to place the stop loss order while entering the position. Immediately we have to maintain the stop loss for this trade. And if you go for a quality stocks, then you can trade along with that. Let me find out those who are finding out any trade opportunity today. Let me message here. And this is also escorts. Initially gives you sell and triggers you stop loss at this time. And 2 times it was triggering you stop loss, but the 3rd time it generating you such a big move. And Metropolis, so you can focus only quality stocks. Metropolis would happen 1 to 3, it was not giving you sell opportunity, but instead of buy is happening here at this level around 1327, and 18 is the 1318, almost 8 rupees. From this it went huge. So that's about this 5 minute scalping scanner that was working on intraday basis. Even you can change your, instead of futures, you can go for only Nifty 50 stocks. So let me only 3 stocks today. And here if you go for a Nifty 50, only Nifty 50 stocks, we don't get any stocks. So simply we can avoid one trade along Nifty 50. So you can decide which you are going to make a trade, and you plan what was the trade you are going to make. So the scanner is always work for all the kind of stocks. I hope you understand and you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you made profit by using this scanner, just ping me on my comments, so it may be working. So if you are make a profit about a net rate, it may be giving you some confidence to others. Thank you for being with me, and thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.